Big Red cutting it loose, JB. What do you think, JB? Let's hear it for the crowd. Got some of them Pongo off-road cut time.
Unfortunately, it has bit the Davis brothers hard. But that was for all you fans out here in Dinwiddie. Let's hear it for Jake Davis! Let it run. Let it run. It looks like Mr. Davis is all right. Can we get a thumbs up down there from the emergency crew? That is why we tell you guys to be on your tippy toes. You never know what to expect when you are at a motorsports event. They're getting ready to flip the truck back over. The emergency crew, the fire guys, all of our amazing safety crew is here. We need anybody who is not track staff off the track right now. Right now, get off the track unless you work for the track. Get away from the truck. Yes. Water pump is on. Let's give it up for the Davis brothers! All right, let's go ahead and send the first two mega trucks out. We need to check the As the wounded machine of the Davis brothers gets wheeled off the track, we're getting ready to line up the mega trucks.
So Big Red, as we called it, was a 2.5 ton mega truck. The truck was still a full body, full steel, full roll up glass, windshield truck. It was heavy. Other than the bed sides being skinned out, that was about the only thing that kept that from being your normal street truck, even down to the factory frame. We'd pull up to events when they first started using this truck and people would just laugh, figured, yeah, that's just a big old heavy truck. They would allow us to run a lot of classes like modified, super street, because we did have DOTs. But it didn't take but 2 or 3 events before they kicked us to nothing but unlimited as the truck improved, as the horsepower came up, and we would compete with trucks that were a third to a half our weight every time, and sometimes with twice as much horsepower. But that truck just worked. Big block Chevy with nitrous. Very, very, very rarely did we not bring home first place. My cousin ran it with me. He was the one that was in it when it went to its demise. But even in that event, we were first and second. And most of the time we brought home a first and second, or a first, and they wouldn't allow you to go second. So, but we would have consistent first and second place runs. So it was a very impressive truck, to say the least. You know, its records that it set, you know, here and there for a truck of that weight and that size, you know, they still stand pretty strong. Not to say there's not others that are bigger, badder, and faster, but when that truck went on its lid 4 years ago, it went out on top, no doubt about it, for what it was. So, new truck, we're hoping it holds a candle to that with all the improvements and safety features we put in place. If nothing else, it's going to put on a good show.